Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Coach Chris coming at you. It's actually Tuesday morning, October 29th, 2024 at 6:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. I got tied up yesterday afternoon, so I didn't get a chance to make this video. So I'm putting it out. Apologize if I'm going quickly because I'm just about to start trading for the day. But had an average day. I had to quit my day fairly early yesterday, or I think I would have done substantially better. But I did end up with a total profit of $91.25 just using the ES channels system. I also woke up to a nice. Well, I didn't wake up to it. It actually came through yesterday afternoon, and that was another XFA, a 50K XFA passed on Top Step X. So more funding, which is always nice to have in your arsenal. So getting back to my trades, for I had one losing trade of $2.50, and what this was it reminds you always, even though as you get more advanced as a trader, you still have to look at the fundamentals and the basics. I had a 2-tick stop for some reason on an order I entered. And so I entered it and it immediately beeped, and I thought I was having some kind of connection problem or something, but no, it was human error. It was my entry. I had 2 ticks set for a stop, so it entered and immediately stopped me out. Otherwise, I had, and I'll show you the entries and exits here. I had 3 trades. Average time was a little over a half hour, so not bad at all. And average winning trade $31, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it adds up. And so as long as you're consistently winning more than you're losing, you will be profitable. So that's how I got to the $91 in profit. So let's look at the chart. Those of you that have been with me a while know last week I started testing a new method with the ES channel system, and that's exclusively what I traded yesterday. And what it consists of is, let me just enlarge this a little bit. In the past, this purple line did not exist, and we used this green line for our entries. Well, that's great. It worked great, but I was doing some research and I realized that if we created another channel halfway between the basis, our home line, and that first green line, we would get into more trades. And these yellow boxes here just illustrate they're trades I didn't take, but because I'm still studying it, and this was early in the morning. This is like 4:30 in the morning, but that I was just confirming the system of entering at the purple line, taking profits at the blue line, and you can see how many more trades we would have gotten using the system, because the green lines is what we had to wait for before, and you can see that it doesn't get down to that area as often. Yes, they are bigger trades. However, you're going to get far, far less of them. So you can see already what I'm calling this is the ES channel scalping method. And so far in testing, it's been pretty good. So here are my entries that I did take. I entered 2 contracts on this candle here. You can see here, this is the candle that initially touches the purple line. So I entered one, and then the market kept coming down. So I entered another one to kind of average my cost down on it. And then this is a 5-minute chart. So 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes later, the market had not rebounded like I thought it was going to. And so I entered another trade there. And immediately after that candle, the market did reverse like we wanted it to, and I exited on this candle right here. Using the system, you can exit. Let's just say it's coming up like you saw here and pushing and pushing. You can take profit within 1 to 2 points of this, without really jeopardizing your profits. And you can see here it was a good thing I did that because I saved myself a lot of time, because you can see after this liquidity sweep to the upside, they immediately brought the market back down. But you can see here then that would have been another opportunity for us to get into another trade. This is close enough. This could have characterized as a take profit, but you can see here, then they bring it back down to purple line and back up, purple line up, purple line up. So you can see how many more trades hopefully we're going to get with this by adding this purple line. Now, as I said, it is you can take that profit within that 1 point here. Now, the thing you're going to want to be careful with this is if we are in a market that is really pushing, what you're going to want to do is if you get in on this purple line, you're going to want to set your stop loss instead of the red line. I would say a maximum of the yellow line, because yesterday it was a pretty tight market they were oscillating within, but we all know on big days this could easily be down here to yellow and red, and that could be a devastating, especially if you have multiple contracts. So I would only trade this system if the market is fairly controlled on these wild days. I would either wait till the market settled down or wouldn't trade the system at all. It's just not worth it. So with this system, what we're looking to do is hit base hits, right? $30 to $50 per contract. And that's what I achieved yesterday here. I wish I didn't have to stop trading at this point. I had some things I had to do at my new house that I was working on. And I had to stop trading at this point. Otherwise, I could have easily picked up, let's see here, 1, 2, 3 or 4 more trades. And if I had started trading earlier, you can see I could have. I didn't take any shorts. And here was a short opportunity. Here was a short opportunity. So I'm going to continue to test and post the results. And but I think we're on to a winner here. It looks like it could really be a nice little addition to our arsenal. So thanks so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Coach Chris out.